Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to use users command in Linux. So users command will print the username of users currently logged in the current host. So let's try with for this command. So as you can see that this will print that currently only one user, which is my username, Fagran, logging into the system. Okay, so we can pass a file, a far run UTMP file to this command, far, uh, and basically the same. So without option, it will automatically read this UTMP file. If you have different file that you want to read, then you can pass the file in here. And that's it, actually, the usage of users command. So this is a simple Linux command line that you can use. We can check the manual page. Let's open man users. So as you can see that it only have two options, which is help and version. Okay. And if we see info users, it will also say that it doesn't have any option. The only option are help and version. Okay. And let's try the option users help. So it will print the help users version. It will print the version, but please be reminded that this is not the specific users version, but this is more of the GNU Core Utils version, because users is part of the GNU Core Utils package. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope will be useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the Howtodojo channel and like this video, leave a comment below, and see you next time.